If you want to export your Beehiiv subscribers quickly and easily, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the simple step-by-step process to export your subscriber list from Beehiiv and then import it into the platform or website you want to use. This is really helpful if you're moving your audience, backing up your list, or organizing your email subscribers for another tool. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, log into your Beehiiv account using your normal email and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct publication or account if you manage more than one. That way, you export the right subscriber data from the right place. After you're logged in, look for the Settings option in your Beehiiv dashboard and click on it. This is where Beehiiv keeps the tools and options for managing your account and export settings. Now that you're in Settings, look for the Export Data option and click it. Beehiiv will begin preparing your export in the background. Depending on the size of your list, this may take a little bit of time, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. Instead of waiting on the page, keep an eye on your inbox because Beehiiv will send you an email when your export is ready. That email is your signal that the file has been generated and is available for download. Once you receive the export email, open it and click the Download link or button provided. This will download the exported document to your device. In most cases, the file will be a CSV or similar data file, which is what most email platforms and websites use for importing subscribers. After the file is downloaded, save it somewhere easy to find so you can upload it to your next destination without confusion. Now go to the website or platform where you want to import your subscribers. This could be a new email service, a CRM, or another audience management tool. Find the Import section, choose the file you just downloaded, and upload it following that platform's instructions. Be sure to map the fields correctly, such as email address, name, or any other subscriber details, so everything transfers over properly. And that's it. You've now exported your Beehiiv subscribers and are ready to import them into your desired website. It's a simple process, but knowing the exact steps saves time and helps avoid mistakes. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.